It seems that Apple is thinking of a simpler name for this year's iPhones, finally. OnePlus has officially announced that we're getting a OnePlus 6 Marvel Avengers Edition, sort of, and we get new Snap spectacles that might end up as forgotten as the first ones. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I wish there was a day where we covered a phone that didn't include a notch, but it sadly won't be today. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today have to do with Snapchat and the launch of a new pair of spectacles. Definitely not a deal for the day, particularly because, well, they look pretty much like the old spectacles. They're faster in the way they transfer videos, now they're capable of photos. Their design is slimmer, but the problem is the design. One, it looks pretty much the same. There are no variances except for colors. And the second, it's $150. Snapchat. Snap Inc. What are you guys thinking over there? Now let's talk about the HTC U12 or U12 Plus. Not exactly sure. There are certification documents right now of a Verizon variant, and this is huge. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's taken forever for HTC to find US carriers again. Such an irony when back in the day HTC was the company that would build the US carrier variants of whatever phones. Remember the Touch Pro 2? I don't blame you if you don't. But then again, here it is. HTC U12 might come to Verizon, similar specs to the Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's see what we get in the end and when, as if certification documents are in, it means we shouldn't wait that long. Now let's talk about Samsung and the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The company is apparently predicting that it will sell 8 million units of its smartphone for the month alone. Just to give you an idea of how significant that is, the iPhone X apparently has only sold 14 million units, wait for it, in the whole quarter. Yes, in the whole quarter, meaning Samsung clearly is pushing this hard, and this is only the second quarter for the iPhone. Usually it's not selling that bad by now yet, so let's see how that evolves. Now let's talk about OnePlus, as the company has pretty much teased that we are getting a OnePlus 6 Marvel Edition to be launched at its event that we were assuming will be on May 16th or 17th, according to the rumors and teasers. Thing about it is, we didn't get to see the phone. We just got a teaser that we're getting a Marvel edition of the phone. So we still don't know what it looks like, but we're hoping it's just as hot. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the iPhones of this year and the probable names that we're getting, as we've got some trusted sources that are claiming something interesting. I've been saying this since the rumors began, that the iPhone X this year was going to be called iPhone X once again. Apparently the rumors are that it seems that the 6.1-inch LCD iPhone will just be called the new iPhone. And then in the case of the 5.8 variant with an OLED display, it seems that that one is going to be called the iPhone X. The new generation iPhone X. And then the taller variant that's also OLED is rumored to be called the iPhone X Plus. Apparently Apple wants to slim down names, and I love that because, it's just been kind of crazy lately. But in today's question, let us know, would you like these names, or do you think that Apple should come up with something smarter? In my case, I like the idea, but let's see what we get. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our experience with the Huawei P20 Pro in Rome down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.